I like the way that Macy is singing, and I like the way that Sweet is singing, and I like the way that, oh, I just moved over my things around. And I like the way that Olivia is singing. You guys look very nice. Miss Kingston, should I go see you mermaid, merman, or crisscross applesauce? Your mask is up over your mouth and nose, and your eyes are pointing to who? Me. Miss Kingston, fix your mask, please. All right, crisscross applesauce, sailor, eyes up here, please. We are learning about 10 frames today. So we've already practiced using 5 frames, which is when we have 5 frames, that means we only have 5. So now we're going to use 10 frames. So raise your hand if you know how many numbers can be represented on a 10 frame.
10.
What do you think it is, Wade?
10.
10. There are 10 spots. That's why it's called a 10 frame. Yes, you have 10 fingers. So, oh, waiting for bubbles. Cameron, you can put up your mask. Kiara, put up your mask. Miss Casey's waiting. Okay, so who thinks that they're being so respectful and can come up and show Miss Casey 10 on our 10 frame? I'm actually going to pick my friend Dakota. Will you show us 10 on the 10 frame, please? Alright, so look, 10 counters on the 10 frame. Not on this one, but on this lesson table. So 1
and 2.
Well, I want you counting in your brain while she's doing this so that you know if she got it right.
4,
Alright, I'm pausing. Sit down, please. Alright, friends. So, Dakota put 10 counters. How do you know she did 10 if you were looking at this quickly? Kaden, how would you know that there's 10 here?
Count my fingers.
You counted with your fingers? I love it. Kyger, how would we know?
Because I counted in my brain.
You counted in your brain. Olivia?
I counted while I was closing my eyes.
You counted your eyes closed? Guess what? I'm going to tell you a hint. Are you ready? How many squares do we say were here? 10. So if it's full, how many do we have? 10. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, I want someone to show me 5 on the 10 frame, and we're going to try to see how many different ways we can make 5. I'm going to let my friend Swade come up because Swade, fabulous body. He's been saying crisscross applesauce. His eyes have been on my friends up here on Miss Keeson.
1, 2, 3.
No, we're spinning here. Let me make sure I didn't skip a thing. Okay, so 5. So he did 3 and 2. Didn't he? So I'm going to draw that right here. So here's our 10 frame. Now, Miss Casey's not the best, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. So he did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, who thinks they can do 10 differently? Or 5 differently, I'm sorry. I was drawing a 10 frame. And my brain got confused. Okay, let me switch back to select. I'm gonna let my friend. Whoops. Let's see. Kiara, come make 5 differently than Swade. 1, yeah. Okay.
I need to do color.
to change it a little bit? Okay, so she just flipped the side. So she did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are those the same? No, they're different, but do they both still show us 5? Okay, let's see if someone else can make 5. Ah! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That wasn't very good. Let's have my friend Reagan come make 5.
I haven't made 5 yet.
I know, I'm looking for friends that are crisscross applesauce. Elliot, if you want to make 5, you cannot be sitting on your head, friend.
Alright, put it on my head. This case
Did it work? You can slide them off. No, here. Now.
it looks like a 1.
Eyes on Reagan. Reagan, make it different than how Kiara and Sway did.
Look how Tiara did it. This case I'm
Whoa, Reagan, how does your brain do that? Reagan did it differently than everyone else did. Reagan did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did he still show me 5? Is it the same as these? No. Isn't that awesome how our numbers can be represented in so many different ways? Now, whisper to Miss Kaysen what number we're making now. We're making 6. Okay, I want to see if we can do 1, 2, 4 different versions of 6. Kyger, have you had a turn? Okay, I'm gonna write down who's had a turn because I want everyone to have a turn.
I didn't have it.
I know who has it. I'm gonna write it down while I'm thinking about it. Oh, in order to get a turn, we have to crisscross applesauce. Or mermaid, merman, it's your choice.
I wanna be mama. Will you get your pencil?
Yeah, so I can mark off whose name. Reagan had a turn.
Nuh-uh. The ones who work.
Oh, they can use it if they want.
6 Kylo.
Elliot, did you have a turn? No, you haven't had a turn yet.
I
Slade's had a
had
turn.
it.
How about
I
this?
had it.
If you have gone to the board already, thank you. Have gone to the board, raise your hand. So, Reagan, Tiger, Swade. Someone else went.
And Tiara. And you went.
Kiara. Who else went? Oh, that was just it. Those were the 3 friends. Thank you for the friends.
And
Perfect.
Tiger.
Okay. I checked the ones that did.
I never got to
I checked. I know. I'm going to let all my friends that are being respectful and doing their job have a turn. Oh, my face gotta get off the ground. Okay, so eyes over here. So, Reagan.
Can I do the next one?
We keep talking, so we gotta look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. He showed me 6. Now, when we have 6 counters on our tin frame, how many spots are not filled? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there should always be 4 blank spots when you are making 6, because 6 plus 4 equals 10. Okay. Let's see. Kate, make 6.
And then whose turn is it?
We'll see. Do you want this? You're gonna make them right here. Let me move this guy though. There you go. You are not in your desk. Now we're making 6, Kate. Oh wait, you're good. No, you're good. Sorry. Miss Kaysen can't count. That's why I'm relying on you guys.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good job. Okay, so Kate made 6. Let's see if she has 4 empty spots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did she do it? Yeah. Let's see. Let me mark her name off so she had a turn. Kaden. Make 6. Everyone will get a turn if you're being respectful. He's making 6 differently than the last 2 friends.
Which one?
Elliot, put on your mask, sweetie. Sweetie, okay? Cameron, put on your mask, please.
I don't have a hole in it. I have a hole in it.
You'll see. I like how he stopped, took a break, and counted to make sure he's doing it right. That's some things we do when we're using our brain. All right, let's count then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. He did it. Does it look the same? No, but is it still 6? Yes. Okay. Now, I know we are playing a game. So, maybe Miss Kaysen will be the dragon. No, Miss Kaysen will be the number, and you guys will be the dragon. And you have to find the match to what Miss Kaysen puts. Are you ready? Okay. Cameron, can you find the match to Miss Kaysen's number? You have to find the tin frame that matches my number. So which tin frame shows us 1? Nice job, Cameron.
What is this?
Walk in a minute. Good job, Cameron. All right, let's see.
The dragon did not destroy
Macy.
I'm going to choose the 6 because the mom was trying 6.
Oh, hang on. Miss Casey's got to pick a number. Sorry. Miss Casey, pick a number. Let me. You're fine.
5. You should have picked the 6.
Count it. All right, Macy, pull over my 5, please. Try it again. Macy, try it again.
Okay. I knew that was it right. I'm going to choose the 6. No. That's 10.
You got it? Now that's the one you already pulled over once. I want you to count the dots on that tin frame, honey. Count them, Macy. Count. Yeah, but you were making 5, weren't you? Okay, then come find 5. Find 5. Remember what a 5 frame is? It's 5 dots. So how many? Tin frame has 10. There you go. You knew it. Good job.
I've been looking for the number.
Elliot.
Miss Mason, I've been looking for the number.
Okay.
Elliot, 1.
Reagan. We're not confident now, honey. 8. Good job. All right, let's see.
1, 5, 8. 1, 5, 8. 1, 5, 4.
Sailor.
5, 8. 1, 5, 8, 5.
All right, Elliot, sit down so your friends behind you can see.
Just a see. Yeah, it's a transfer.
Good job.
5.
Olivia.
6.
Yeah, I got me on the birthday down there. Bryson. Dakota, I know you still need your turn. You get it?
Me.
Who said me? You already had it. Oh, you had a turn on the first slide. I know, that's okay. All right, so now.
I didn't even have my mask on.
Put your mask on. There are 2 frames. There's frame pairs, is what we're going to call them. I want you to click on the frame that is greater. Raise your hand if you know what greater means. What does that mean, Macy? Macy?
Miss Kate, it's a bigger number.
it is the bigger number. So will Miss Kaysen click on the 4? No, my 7 is bigger. So I click on it. We got it right. Do 2 quiet whoop whoops. Dakota. Now I think every friend has had a turn. So besides 1. So Miss Casey's gonna let everyone have 2 turns if we have time. So between these 2, which one's bigger? Which one's greater? What do you think? Yeah, click on it. See if you got it right. Good job. Give her a quiet thumbs up. Brayson.
Me?
Yep.
We give them a round of applause.
Oh, try it again. Good job. Let's do a quiet double thumbs up. All right. Let's see. Kyger. The very bottom one.
Can I get them?
We'll see.
I'm tired, Miss Kate.
Try it again. No, try it again, Kyger. There you go. Let's give him a marshmallow. 2 marshmallow claps. Ready? Good job. Let's see. Marshmallow clap. Cameron. Kiara.
Miss Kate, said I'm sleepy.
Are you sleeping? Sorry. Sailor, eyes on the season. Which one's greater? Look who's got those big bubbles. Which one? Okay. Good job. Let's give her a quiet round of applause. Dakota. I know. We're on our second turns. I know. No, she hasn't had 3 yet. Have you had 3 turns, Dakota? Let's give her a quiet thumbs up. And Reagan. After Reagan, I'm going to pick another quiet friend. Okay. Thank you. Good job. Suede. Oh, you had 1 turn. Reagan, go sit on 9. Try again. You gotta click in the middle of that, honey. Sorry. There you go. Give Suede a quiet poof. Thumbs up. Okay. So, alright, ready? This is the last one.
I want the puppy.
Bubbles. This is the last one we're doing, and then it will be time for special. Bubbles, if we have time, if we get through this one, Reagan, I moved you so you're not playing with them. If we get through this one really quick, we will get to I will have us do a fast ABC Yeah game where we get to play Monster Mash. But we gotta go fast. Are you ready? So, Miss Kaysen is going to put 3 books into her pocket. So let's count. 1, 2, 3. Okay? I put Grayson. 3. Now I'm adding 1 more. Who can raise their hand and tell Miss Kaysen how many books should be in her pocket? 4. Raise your hand. I want everyone to show me quiet with their quiet fingers. You all think 4? Okay. Let's double check. Let's start at 3. Hold up 1 finger. 3, 4. There should be 4. Let's see.
And you put 500.
1, 2, 3, 4. We are geniuses. We actually don't have much time, so I'm going to let a friend pick a Go Noodle, and then we're going to go to specials. If you need to put on, listen, Grayson. If you need to put on, scoot back to your dot, Grayson. If you need to put on PE shoes during this Go Noodle, I want you to go get your PE shoes and take them to your table seat to be put on. Let's see who my spinner is going to be. We only have 2 more Go Noodles so we get to an upgrade. Who says on 10? Elliot, you get to come pick one. We encourage our friends. You may pick one of the new ones. All right, let's see. Oops, did you not want that one? Okay. Here. You have to let Miss Casey know if you want to scroll down. That's only 30 seconds. That's just telling you to wash your hands. You want that one? Alright, remember if you want to change into PE shoes, you need to get them and bring them back to your desk.